Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried cornbread. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You'll need basic pantry staples like cornmeal, flour, baking powder, and salt. Don't forget your wet ingredients, milk and eggs. Having everything measured and ready before you start mixing will make the entire process much easier and more enjoyable, leading to perfect results. Now, let's create the perfect batter. Begin by combining all your dry ingredients in a large bowl, making sure they are well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk and eggs until smooth. Then, gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for tender cornbread. It's time to fry our cornbread to golden perfection. Heat about 1/2 inch of your preferred cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully drop spoonfuls of the batter into the skillet, leaving some space between each piece. Fry them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious fried cornbread is now ready to enjoy. For the best flavor and texture, serve it warm straight from the skillet. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of savory meals, such as a hearty bowl of chili, collard greens, or any stew. If you prefer a sweeter treat, a light drizzle of honey or maple syrup can elevate the taste beautifully. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.